I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and now it's over, until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees will fall too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say. They were never true in the games you played. You would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. While it burned, while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name.